Hello and welcome. Now, this is a follow-up video to a video that I did on adding multiple videos to your playlist. And this is the one that you have probably seen on my channel. And uh, and it seems as if some of the functionality has been removed to do this. So what I'm going to do is go inside of my channel and redo this whole process to see if there is a workaround. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave this video and I'm going to go to my Creator Studio. So I'm going to just go to the little me there, mini me, and then click the Creator Studio. Once I'm inside of my Creator Studio, I'm going to click the Video Manager. Now that's going to bring me to this screen. And in order to add a video or add multiple videos to my playlist, what I would do then is I would then click these buttons. This is what I did in the previous video that I've gotten some comments that this no longer works. So what I'm going to do now is let's check to see what this button is. We're not going to be using that. We're going to actually click the Add To button, and then we're going to create the new playlist. So that's kind of the old process. So what I'm thinking is that for the folks who had trouble doing this, that maybe there is some designation with my channel that maybe theirs does not have. Now the other thing that could be is that there are two buttons over here. You'll notice there's a way to display the videos in two different ways. I'm going to click this other one to see if maybe the checkboxes don't display that way. Now, if I click this button, then all of my videos are going to display in this way, and you're not going to see the checkboxes in order to add it to your playlist. So what could have happened to some folks is they may have had this enabled, the view enabled, and what you can do is you can kind of toggle back and forth between these two views. If you toggle to this view, you're going to have the checkboxes. If you toggle back to this view, then you're not going to have the checkboxes, and you're not going to be able to add the multiple videos to the playlist in that way. Now, one other thing to check here and is just make sure that all of your, if you're having problem with being able to do that, just make sure that all of your account standings are in order. I don't think that that's the case. I don't think that's going to affect your being able to add videos to the playlist, but it could. So just make sure that if you don't see that feature enabled as it is in my channel, then just make sure that all of your account standings are in order. Now there's one other thing. I'm going to show you a workaround here. If you've been having trouble adding multiple videos to a playlist, I'm going to show you how to do that now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the video manager here. And when we get back to the video manager, we're going to click the button that says playlist. Now I already have some playlists here. If you don't have one, go ahead and click the button that says new playlist. Put a playlist title in there. I'm going to make this one PLR strategy and click create. Now that's going to bring me to this button that says PLR strategy. So now you'll notice that it says that there are no videos in this playlist here. So what I can do is I can then click the add video button. Now that's going to bring me to this screen where I can add any videos to my playlist. Now if I want to add my own videos, my own multiple videos, now it's not going to be the same as using the checkboxes, but it can be fairly efficient. You can click your YouTube videos, and when you do that, now you can then just kind of click the video that you want in there, and then what's going to happen is if you want a second one there, you can add the second one. And so on and so forth, right? Oh, I see. You've got to click the select button. I see. So what you're going to do then is click that button, click select. That's not necessarily going to be very efficient, but you are going to be able then to see all the videos that you are going to want to have there. So you are going to have to go back. You are going to have to click the add video button, and you're going to see them all at the same time, but it won't work as well as if you are going to use the check boxes, obviously. Right? So now if I guess we can try to see if we can. It doesn't really seem to allow us to use the control button, so that's not going to be as efficient again as you're being able to use the checkboxes. So once again, probably the best thing for you to do is to use those checkboxes. If you've been having trouble doing that, go back and check the view toggle back and forth between those other videos that you have there, and see if you can add them that way. Okay, and so leave me a comment if that is not working for you, and then we will then look for another workaround. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.